Hi guys, now today I'm going to tell you a story about a certain white lady who accused a black man of rape. The guy was arrested, sentenced to 14 years in prison. But later, this lady ended up marrying a black guy. Then she later came to apologize after 14 years. That is when she came out and apologized to the guy that she had accused 14 years ago. Now, the reason why I find it funny is you accuse a black man, then later in life you end up marrying a black man. So tell me, was her apology to this guy sincere, or was she apologizing just because she was married to a black guy? I don't find the apology sincere. I feel like she was compelled just because she's in the life of another black man. So she was obligated to do it for the sake of the husband. Anyway guys, let's watch this video together. Then let me know on the comment section what your thoughts are. Yeah, my name is Robbie Masaga, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, please remember to do so before you leave. Yeah, so let's watch.
To Dean. I don't believe y'all have met before. We have a seat right here. Sit right here. It's all right, you can have a seat right here. Okay. Dean, let me introduce you to Loretta, and this is her husband as well, Monty, and I'm very happy to say that y'all haven't really met before, but here you are. So, Loretta, tell me what you're thinking and feeling right now.
I'm scared to see his face again. It's scary.
And you've seen his face in the meat market, and you've seen his face in court, but you haven't seen his face in an alley, and you haven't seen his face other places, and you get that up here, right?
Yes, sir.
But it's still emotional down here.
Yes.
Tell me what you're thinking and feeling right now.
I just hate that you had to go through something like this. I hate that I had to go through something like this because of this situation. And I hope and pray that we both can get closure in this.
What do you think about what Dean had to say?
I'm sorry that you lost him. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you. I just wanted to tell the truth. I'm so sorry.
But you're doing good, Loretta. Stay with us here. I think you need to understand, and some of the things that you haven't heard Dean say, but he gets that you were 15, and he gets that you were hurt really, really bad by somebody.
First of all, I feel like there should be a punishment for people who accuse others wrongfully. Yeah, if later in life, if that person you accused, if they are found not to be guilty, I feel like these people who accuse others should serve sentences in prison as well. Accusing someone, then this person ends up in jail for 14 good years. 14 good years without even caring about his family. Maybe this man had kids. Maybe he had elderly parents whom he was taking care of. Without you caring about his family at all, you send this person to jail. Then later you come out and you want to apologize as if sorry is going to make any change. 14 years is already gone to waste. nothing can be done to bring back those 14 years. Even if this man is going to be compensated, nothing can bring the 14 years back. Yeah, 14 years just went down the drain. Yeah, just like that, nothing can bring it back. Especially the sorry and the fake tears. Because the reason why I find her tears so fake, it's because the moment she realized that she had made a mistake, she would have done it earlier than waiting for 14 years. That is when you come out and apologize. Yeah. To make the matters worse, this lady is married to a black guy, meaning maybe if at all they have kids, meaning she has black kids. Now let me ask, what if Karma decided to, play its part? What if Karma decided to come back around and get back to her own kids? How would she feel? If at all any woman out there came out and accused her own kids of the same thing that she accused another man, how would she feel? Because right now she has black kids. I'm assuming if at all she has kids, she has black kids because she's married to a black guy. How would she feel? These are the things that we do without even minding about even our future. Yeah, you accuse someone, then later end up marrying someone from the same community as the man you accused. You end up getting kids from the same community. Like a mother, sit and ask yourself, what if another woman came and accused your own kids? How would you feel? White women tears have destroyed a lot of men out there. They've really destroyed a lot of people, not just men, even women. They have destroyed a lot of black people out there. And these people they are never remorseful. This lady just came out to apologize because she was compelled. The fact that she's married to a black man, she has to apologize just to prove to her man, I love you and I have nothing against your own community. Yeah, so she's only doing it for the sake of her family. Now let me ask guys, what if this lady was married to her own people? Do you think she would come out and apologize to this man? She wouldn't, because first of all, even the husband would not allow, he would not allow his wife to come out and start crying publicly, apologizing to a black man. Some people were blessed with a good heart out there. Like that man, the black man, he ended up forgiving that woman, yeah? He forgave her in front of her husband without even minding, without even caring about the years that he lost. These are the kind of people that should be receiving blessings every day. Yeah, because I don't know. I personally don't know if I would forgive someone if they accuse me of similar thing. I don't know if I would forgive such a person, leave alone accusing me. If they've accused any of my family members, I don't know if I would reach to that point of forgiving such people. Now, let's switch the tables for a moment. Imagine if a black woman accused a white man of the same. Tell me, would that case even go anywhere? It would be thrown out of the courts in a minute. It wouldn't even go anywhere because it's a black woman against a white man. So there's nowhere this case would go. Leave alone accusing. Let's say if this black lady was telling the truth, tell me, how long would it take for that woman to find justice? Just how long? Yeah, it would take long just because the woman is black. This is how cruel the society is to some people out here. White women's tears have destroyed a lot of people out there because we've seen so many cases, so many similar cases happening out there. And surprisingly, these white women never learn. They never learn from this kind of stories we are seeing out here because we've seen a lot of them. A lot of women have accused black people of things that they never did. And later they come out crying, pretending to apologize, crying crocodile tears. And these people, they never learn. Even right now as we speak, some white woman out there is accusing a black man or a black woman of something she didn't commit. we are always taught on how to be apologetic, but sometimes some tears don't change anything. Yeah, some apologies don't make any change, because already the name of this man, the image, it has already been tarnished. There's nothing can be done about it. Yeah, if today that man wants to marry a woman, that woman will have some questions. Yeah, she's going to ask herself, what if it was true? Yeah, what if whatever that this man was accused of, what if it was true? The name has already been damaged. So some tears don't make any difference. And that is why people, before you accuse someone, sit and think about the repercussion. Think about the future. What will happen to this man, to the family? Yeah. And this guy, I'm very sure he was never, maybe he was never compensated for all the years that he lost in prison. And this lady, she's free. She's free. I wish there was a punishment for such people. Yeah, because tears do not make any change. I wish they would also go to prison and serve a sentence there for them to learn. Yeah, some of them need to be taught a lesson, because the reason why they keep doing whatever that they are doing, it's because nothing happens to them eventually. All they do is just come out and cry, and it's forgotten. While the life of that person has already been ruined. So this is the kind of damage, yeah, the kind of pain that you people inflict on people. You don't know how this person, for him to be even mentally stable, mentally upright again, he has to go through a lot of therapy. Yeah, he has to go through a lot of them for him to be okay, because this thing is going to torment him for the rest of his life. If he sees a woman in front of him, he fear women now, because he doesn't know what that woman is going to do to him next. Yeah, he has no trust in women at all. This is someone who might even end up not marrying, because he does not trust women anymore. And these people don't learn. They keep doing it. And that's why I insist there need to be a punishment for such women, so that they can learn. Anyway, guys, let me know on the comment section what your thoughts are. Yeah, let me know if you also feel like these people should have, if there should be a punishment for such like women, or yeah, let me just know what you think on the comment section. Yeah, and we meet on the next episode. Remember, if you've not subscribed, guys, do it before you leave. Yeah, and until next time.